How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. About 3 years ago I built this chicken coop, and we've had the chickens in there, and our chickens have actually stopped laying. We got all new chickens that got to go in the chicken coop, and after using this coop for a few years, we figured out some things that we need to change to make it better for the chickens and us. So one problem I'm having right now is I don't have a lot of light on the inside. We've been wanting to get solar for the inside of the chicken coop so we can just flip a switch and be able to see. But right now I'm going to put up, we're going to be taking a couple panels off this side of the roof, and we're going to exchange one of them panels with a clear panel. Which this is going to be really nice because it'll allow the light to come through, and this is actually a clear piece of roofing. So yeah, we're going to be removing a couple pieces up there because I'm going to shorten one. I want to get this one to be the biggest one up there. I kind of overlapped them, but we're going to get that one to give us the most light in here. I'll show you what we're doing here. As you can see, it's really dark back in here in the coop. So what we want to do is, once we get this panel changed out, we're going to mount another window back in here. We're going to mount another window back in here. It's just too dark in the coop. So this is the panel we're going to go ahead and take off. This is going to give us a little more morning sun, which is going to help the chickens. So we're going to get this panel off and get our clear plastic panel on there. The hard thing is going to get up there to get them all them screws out. So now that we got that one screwed down, we'll go ahead and measure out this piece and get it put on. Still using that nibbler. Alright, we got our clear piece on there. We'll go inside and see how much more light it gave us. I think that's going to help us out a lot. Now we can see in here pretty good. Giving the chickens a little bit more light in there. I think what we're going to do is we're going to do one more over here, and I think that's going to really give us a lot more light. I think that's what we'll do. We'll put one in over here, and then we'll have one over here. And Sophie should be able to see really good. That's her box. That's where she sleeps, up in there. So that'll help her a lot too. The tomatoes are getting pretty big, but I'm not seeing as many tomatoes that we would see in the past, the previous years. We're getting some, but not a whole lot. We're just trying to keep them suckered up and keep them tied up and hope for the best. Okay, I got the tractor set up here so I can get up there and do that piece of metal. It's so hard to do it on the ladder. I got me a skid on there, put the forks up against the chicken coop so they can't slide down, and then I put the outriggers out on the backhoe to keep it from sliding back. So I think we'll be pretty safe there. So we're going to go up there and take that piece of metal off, and all we have to do here is slide the other piece of plastic up underneath there, and that's going to give us a lot of light in that chicken coop. Let's get started. Alright, only thing's left to go inside and see what kind of light we got inside the chicken coop now. Well, we definitely got more light in the chicken coop. Yeah, look at that. That even gives Sophie more light up there. More light in the back. This is nice. Now we'll be able to see a lot better even when we're cleaning the chicken coop, and it needs cleaned bad. Well, I guess we're going to call it. This has been a pretty good project. We did get both pieces of the plastic, the clear plastic, up on the roof, and that's going to help out the chicken coop so much now. We're going to be able to see a lot better in there. It's just going to be all around better even for the chickens. Now in the next video, we're going to be building a back window. And we're going to be using some of the old sawmill lumber that actually this building came from. It's about 3 years old. It's pretty dry, and well, it might even be a little bit rotten, but I think we can get a window out of it. We got some old scrap sawmill lumber. We'll build something, and we definitely want that window to open and close for ventilation in there. That's going to help out the chicken coop a lot for a little bit more air circulating through there. And as you remember, we showed you where we did the eaves. All my eaves are ventilated, so just a little bit more circulation will be great in there. And a little bit more light. We can always use more light. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.